How to log in Telegram with email. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Vipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can log into Telegram with email, or how you can log into your Telegram account using email. Now first things first, can you log in or sign up on Telegram using email? Well, to keep things short and straight, it's a straight no. Now Telegram uses your phone number to verify a user an account, and the only way to log in is through the mobile number, or to sign up is through a mobile number. Now you can set email as your recovery email as a backup, but you won't be able to log in directly using email. You'll have to need a phone number. If you don't have phone number, then you can head over to your browser and searching for virtual numbers. So you can head over to browser and you can type in virtual number for SMS and such, and then you'll get these links where you'll be able to get the number for free. You can use that number to create an account, and once you have done so, you can back it up using your email. So this way you can log in Telegram with email. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.